Welcome to another video by Regal Eye Tech. Hey, if you like this, please click so for me. And if you haven't subscribed, can you? Please? And thanks. Hey, do remember to follow Regal Eye Tech on Instagram, where you can see live videos and see random tech stuff. Greetings again, folks. So in this video, I'll just be putting on a tempered glass on the latest model iPhone 11 Pro Max version. Branded version. So this is the Verizon branded version. Comes with one. Although Verizon does sell units that come with two in there. But that is a rare thing with tempered glass nowadays, especially the more higher costing name brands tend to come with just one. So that means you have one strike at the apple, and that's it. So you have to do it perfect. So as you know, most important thing to me is making sure you have a clean and debris-free screen, 100% as much as possible. So take as much time, take more time than you think you need to clean your screen. I use a combination of screen cleaner, alcohol, or Pledge electronics. Then I use the microfiber cloth. Then I use the sticker to remove all the debris that the cloth leaves behind. Then sometimes I use the compressed air. But I think the sticker is the real most valuable piece here. Or in other words, the sticker is the one I'll probably use last. You're probably wondering, like, why does he keep cleaning the screen? It's brand new. Just took the sticker off. The plastic screen protector just came off. You would think I'd be able to just put the tempered glass on right away. But I've tried that once before in the past, and it's not perfectly clean under there as you think it would be. So there was once a case where I put on a tempered glass right on the screen immediately after removing the plastic screen protector that comes with it out of the box. And I thought by doing so I would bypass any debris that could fall on. And that was the case. However, there was a film that needed to be wiped off, and it wasn't very obvious until after a few hours with the new tempered glass sitting on top. So it almost looked a bit hazy under there when it should be crystal clear. So even when you're just taking off the fresh screen plastic protector, you still want to clean that before you go ahead and put on your tempered glass investment. Yeah, still cleaning the screen. You see, putting on the tempered glass itself takes all about 10 seconds or less, but just cleaning the screen part can take a good 5 minutes. Squeegeeing part is my actual favorite part of this whole process. It reminds me of tinting windows back in the day, tinting car windows. Anyway, this is the part that you want to be gentle yet firm. And again, I like to use a soft matte. You're probably wondering why I'm not using the grips, those black things. That's what comes with the screen protectors. You're supposed to put the phone on top of that, and it provides perfect grip, so you can go ahead and do all these things without the phone moving. But this is just my method. I like a loose mat on there because I feel like it'll give me the flexibility it needs to prevent the screen from cracking, because I tend to push harder than I probably should sometimes. Here, let's take a look under here and see how it's looking. Pretty good. I see one small bubble there towards the top left. Let me see if I can squeegee that out of there. Other than that, it's good to go. Protect it.
Do remember, Tech Family, subscribe and share. Hit like if you like. Comment for tips. We can co-enlighten each other.